The Constellation's original deployment to Vietnam was essentially defensive. They were to be used to provide a radar picket to guard against North Vietnamese bombers attacking targets in the south. However, this proved to be a short-lived need, and the duties that kept them in the theatre were over a broad spectrum. One of the most unusual roles the Connie was called on to perform fell to this plane, an NC-121J of the Navy's Development Squadron VX-8. The designation was given to a group of planes that were variously modified to secret specifications. There was no conformity within the designation. It was, effectively, a grab bag for various one-off Connie versions. This plane, for example, had its own special fit and its own special mission. The equipment fitted to this plane was definitely non-standard in military terms. These 2-inch tape players were the ultimate in professional television formats at the time. The duty of the aircraft was to serve as a television and radio broadcaster for the armed services networks. By hauling the transmission aloft, the service was taken out of range of Viet Cong interference. Ground-based transmission would have required infrastructure which, as a tempting target, would have needed constant guard. The quietly plodding Constellation transmitting from on high made the maintenance of service broadcasts practical.